How's it going, good friends? Brian from Apex Detail. Today I'm working on a Jeep Wrangler, and you can understand all the plastics that are on here and how they can turn that milky gray color. And back here you can see the wavy characteristics of the plastic as UVA, UVB damage sets in. I've been working with a team, and this has been a killer combination when it comes to both conditioning and protecting plastic trim. Been putting it on Jeeps like this and avalanches, and they're coming back looking nice and fresh, and I just wanted to share this with you. So the first thing you want to do is clean the plastic. Even after you have washed it, if you washed it thoroughly and properly, get a plastic cleaner. A quick tip, Adam's tire and rubber cleaner works perfectly for that. Use whatever combination you come up with to make sure that the plastic trim is clean and naked. As you can see here, even after thoroughly washing the Jeep, you can pull up a lot of dirt. Plastic is very porous. You want to clean all of that crap out of there. After the plastic is thoroughly cleaned, grab TAC Systems SEAL. I'm trying not to flood you with TAC System products, but guys, I've been using every one I'm using one after another. I'm just so impressed with. So I use SEAL first as a base and a conditioner, and I use TAC Moonlight here to go over top after a couple hours as the protectant, and it has been a killer team here. So what I do is I put 2 dabs on a microfiber applicator, and I massage that into a 2x2 section. And you can see here, especially textured plastics, you really want to take your time and massage it into that porous plastic. That will do the conditioning. TAC Systems has many sizes from $3.99 all the way up, and the larger sizes I know they have on sale. Plus, if you use the code that I will supply down below, you'll get a couple dollars off on top of that yet. The rich formula was designed to renew plastic and protect rubber seals, leather, tires, trim, anything in the engine bay, plastic trim on the outside of the car, and anything on the interior of your vehicle. This can condition and protect all on its own without TAC Moonlight. This will condition and then seal, which is important to me to use it as the foundation here, and will give the appearance of a nice satin, brand new piece of trim. The formula also contains high-grade UVA, UVB protection. It's hydrophobic and will help stop oxidation and cracking in plastic trim. I'm using full strength. I want the full benefits of this rich formula for my customer. We're getting into the winter months and these vehicles take a beating. But for tires, you can cut it 1-to-1, plastic 3-to-1, engine bay 3-to-1, interior 5-to-1. This area I'm working on now has that wavy effect from UVA, UVB damage, and a lot of dressings won't even take care of that, won't even condition it. This seems to do very well, and again, this is just the base layer, so I'm going to continue on and condition and put the base layer down on all the plastics, the door handles, the mirrors, even the back tire cover here. It works fantastic. That's it. We are finished. It took no time at all. It's an easy formula to work with, and I want to let this cure for a minimum of 4 hours before putting on the topper or the protectant. You absolutely don't have to. You can let the seal by itself as a sealant and protectant and conditioner, which will get you through a quarter of the year easily. I want to top it with the Moonlight. That'll be a tip for you, and that'll get you through the rest of the year. How much do we use? Well, I used it on that Jeep. I used it on the Hummer, which has a ton of plastics, and behind that is a GMC Acadia. Also used it on that, and look how much we have left. This bottle will last you a long time. Well worth the money. As impressive as it is to me, I could end the video there, but as a quick tip, I always try to get the most out of my products, even if I have to combine them. So to get it through the rest of the year then, instead of quarter of the year, we'll top it with Moonlight, just a little bit. Massage it right on top of this base layer, which has now cured and filled in the porous plastic, and this will be the protectant or the cherry on top. This even gets it darker and richer. We're all finished, and I was able to let it cure overnight, and I raised the temperature of the shop a little bit, helped speed up cure time, and as you can see here, the plastic trim looks incredible. Just wanted to share that with you. There are a lot of products out now for plastic trim. A lot of them really don't satisfy me. So again, don't hoard products like I do. If you have something for plastic trim and you're satisfied with it, stick with it. This is just a video you can go back for reference if you're looking for something new. If you like the content, like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell.